Díobh Gaeilge and welcome back to Grasping Gaeilge. Today we're going to look at the séimhiú. What is a séimhiú? It's a H. How do you know when to take a séimhiú? Whenever you see these words, the following word takes a séimhiú, which is a H. So make sure to screenshot this box. This is everything you need. Let's look at a few examples. After the word which means on, the following word takes a séimhiú. Mar hampla, tá brón mhóire. Moira was sad. Done, to the. Hug me an leabhar don cholín. I give the book to the girl. And let's look at one more. Fui about. Husig me a kind fui mhóire. I started talking about Moira. Fui mhóire. Now we're going to look at the exceptions, and this time we have a few more. But the very first one is always the dentals, D-N-T-L-S. So if the first word ends in a dental and the second word begins in a dental, you do nothing, you do not add a H. To the doctor, done, doctor. Done ends in an N, doctor begins in a D, both are dental, so therefore it stays the same. The one, on is on our list, very, on, tábhachtach, very important. On ends in an N, tábhachtach begins with a T, therefore they are both dental, so they stay the same. Example is if we have sa and the dentals. For example, if you have the word sa, which means in, and the following word begins with a dental, D-N-T-L-S, you do nothing. Mar hampla, in the house, sa chalk. In the shop, sa shoppa. Two of the most important exceptions, but I'm going to give you two more for your own reference, so feel free to screenshot. And they're the séimhiús. Slán leibh.